This is PureCutCNC 0.2.0. The main thing in this release, the app now runs in 5 languages: English, German, French, Spanish, and Chinese, with a built-in editor if you want to translate it into your own. We also reworked how the app looks: dark mode, light mode, or match your system, and a theme editor if you want to adjust the colors yourself. On the cam side, toolpaths got some real attention. Cleaner arc fitting on export, smoother pocket and V-carve clearing, and a new debug view so you can actually see what's being sent to your machine before you run it. There's also a batch of performance work and bug fixes. Some panels were re-rendering more than they needed to. A few cam edge cases got sorted out, and the app should just feel a bit more responsive day to day. That's PureCutCNC 0.2.0. Full notes are up in release notes if you want the details. And if you want to see it in action, our YouTube channel has how-to videos walking through the new features.